Raining Money app. Hydro question. You are interested if A. You find a thing or person to be pleasing or suitable. B. You are in a mentally restful state of mind. C. You are making a legal claim to be part of a thing or person. Or D. You buy me dinner and a box of chocolates. Get our free app and get a bucket for the catch. New questions every 30 minutes. Skip on over to rainingmoney.com or be social with us at Raining Money CRM. Raining Money app is brought to you by AppLemon. To know is not enough. We must apply.